So number 5 crime is washing method or shampoo method. Recently we did a little video, but that was Instagram video. Again, we've done lots of videos showing where we are shampooing Garen's hair. Now when you have hair this long and you're shampooing, your focus is to just work with the hair and allow them to be in their normal, natural length, like that. Shampoo goes in and you're concentrating on the hair as well as the scalp. So you go into the scalp and you kind of like just massage it a little bit without going all crazy, because this is what lots of people, they see the adverts on TV where hair types that are not our hair type. People are under the shower and they're going with their hand all over their hair, going like that, and then they think that is the way to wash hair. That's not the way to wash hair, and that's why we've done a lot of videos showing how we wash this hair. Ensure your hand is on the scalp, massage a little bit so you make sure the scalp is clean, and then you just focus on rinsing out the shampoo to make sure it's free, and make sure it is a shower head you're using. Shower head so that the water is draining out immediately. So wrong shampoo method, it's very, very bad for Afro hair.